Our next player is
Tonda Davis. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Woo! In this video, we're going to show you how we turned our studio into The Price is Right. So come on down.
So this is my plant room right now, saving my babies from all the dust and debris upstairs. But this is gonna be such a good spot for our new studio / Jamie's work office station. Right now he edits videos up in our bedroom and it's just really not working. So we are going to be quickly kind of transforming this space into something that's really usable and awesome.
So we want to do something a little more funky in here, have a little bit of fun with it. Our last studio was just black, and so Sarah, we just went to Lowe's and picked out these colors. What is our inspiration?
We are going to be doing retro Price is Right.
It's gonna be sweet.
It's
I'm very excited about it.
So this whole wall back here is a nice flat wall. So if you guys remember what the Price is Right used to look like, we'll kind of show you on the screen. We're gonna be painting a similar type mural, and then our desk will be here, and we hope to do more like interviews with you guys and more phone conversations, things like that in this room with this as our studio backdrop.
Well, should we get started?
Yep.
All right, let's get these plants out of here. I think some of these need to go in the trash.
No.
I don't think that one's gonna survive winter.
No, look, the little buds, they're coming back.
No, we need to throw them away, please.
No, I'm keeping it, I'm sorry.
Taking down all these, putting up can lights. This is how they had all the lights connected before. Kind of sketchy. So I got my ceiling painted all black. It looks great. It kind of hit all the plumbing and wires and stuff. And I got my can lights in too, which is giving some great light down here. What are we up to today?
So today we are painting this mural behind us. As you can see, it is inspired by The Price is Right. We have a really old school projector that we're like projecting it on the wall.
Show them that real quick.
Janky setup there, but it works. So we got really funky 60s colors. I'm excited to show you. We are going to be freehanding this with the help of our projector. So let's see how it goes. We're gonna start with the green. Look at this color, it's hilarious.
How's it going?
Good.
It's looking good.
Thank you.
First round.
Pretty excited. All right, so next we are working on the blue spiral, which is actually 3 colors of blue. But we just bought one. This was in like the discount paint section, but it was pretty close to the color we were hoping for. And then I'm gonna be mixing it with, this one has 4 ounces of white, this one has 8 ounces of white, so hopefully this one is a little bit lighter blue and then a lot lighter blue. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and test these on a swatch and then get to painting my spiral. So I started to get a little discouraged there for a minute because it was not going super well. But in reality, I just had to tape a lot, and I hate taping, I think that I'm an excellent freehand, but it was just not looking good. So I ended up taping a lot of it, and we're getting somewhere. So now I'm working on more of the pinwheel, but it's gonna take me a while. All right, it's the moment I've been waiting for all day. The pink. And this is the craziest pink color. I love it.
When painting a mural like this, it's really important to use a quality masking tape that leaves behind clean lines when you remove it. Our favorite brand is Scotch tape, and we'll link what we use in the description below.
All right, so I am on my very last pinwheel. I've spent 2 days on this mural, and I've tried to be really precise, and it has turned out really fun, really good. Are you ready? I love it. We did it.
All right, now we just gotta paint the floor, roll it out, and we'll be done. Give this video a thumbs up if you think Sarah did an amazing job on the mural. I think it looks awesome.
It was a lot of work, more than I anticipated.
So really this project just involved mostly a lot of painting. And in our first house flip we ever did, we did the same thing where we just painted the ceiling black. That's a really nice trick if you don't want to spend the time or money to drywall your basement ceilings. It also works well when you have like a lower ceiling in a basement and don't want to do like a drop ceiling or something like that. So that's why we painted the ceiling black, plus it just was way faster and easier, and now we have a fully functioning space in just a couple days.
So you might be thinking why the price is right. Well, our channel has always kind of been based around money, whether it's how to make money if you need it or how to invest it if you have it. That is really something that we wanted to be able to casually talk to you guys about, maybe even invite you guys in with your questions, do some phone calls and video calls, that kind of thing. So
we're really just excited to start making content in this new space in addition to all our other crazy stuff we do. So
our channel is very much a lot going on. We have our house projects, we do pallet flipping, we talk about side hustles, and we also have this new studio space. So we're gonna be doing some more formal stuff in here, some stuff that's talking about things that are really important to us and things that we really believe in and care about.
Yeah, and hopefully just a way to connect more individually with each of you.
So as we move forward, we are looking for what people are hoping to hear. So go ahead and leave comments below on what you guys are interested in, what you have questions on, and that is kind of what we're going to be basing our studio content around, and then reaching out to you to have these video phone calls and things with you guys too. So definitely comment below what you're hoping to hear from us.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in any of the other videos from our Stately Tutor project, which is our current house project, I'll put the playlist below so you can check that out. And don't forget to help control the pet population and have your pet spay or neutered. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.